Hi guys, welcome to the Bastrop Public Library's tutorial on how to put some books on hold so that you can pick them up for curbside. The first step is if you don't want to call us at 512-332-8894, you can do it online with a Google form. So here's our link. So this is going to take us to a Google form. You don't need to have a Google account to be able to access this. So I'm going to type in my name and a phone number. I'm just putting in the library's phone number. And I don't want you to use my card, so I'm doing a test card. Now, for your preferred pickup time, you can select all that apply. You have to give us at least 2 hours notice for same day pickup. So today is Thursday, and it is 2:52 p.m. And if I wanted to pick my books up today, the earliest time slot that I could select is the Thursday 5 to 7 p.m. I cannot select the 3 to 5 p.m. because it is almost 3 o'clock right now. So I need to select at least the Thursday 5 to 7 p.m. But if I want to be nice to my coworkers, who will always appreciate it, I'm going to select all of the Friday slots. We have times Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We are cutting off the pickup times an hour before we close because there are closing responsibilities that we have to take care of within the library. Okay, next. Please list titles here. Please enter up to 10 titles ranked by preference. We are only able to check out 5 items per person at this time, but may substitute alternate titles if one of your preferred requests is unavailable. So when we list our 10 titles, you're not going to get all 10 of them. But we are going to rank them, or we're going to choose the ones that you've numbered 1 through 5 first. So if numbers 2, 3, and 4 are not available, we're going to give you 1, 5, and then we're going to start looking at the rest of your 5 titles listed. So you may get titles 1, 5, 7, 8, and 10, just depending on what's available. Some items still may be checked out. Some may be in quarantine if they've been returned already. Items will be placed in quarantine for 72 hours before a patron can check them out again. This is to keep you safe. That is to keep our staff safe. We want everyone to come out of this smiling, and the quarantine helps us achieve that goal. So let's pick some titles. If you don't know what books you want, Ashley is putting together some tutorials on some readers advisory tools, so like some websites that you can visit on your own to find titles that you may like. Always make sure to cross-reference with our card catalog so that you can be sure that we actually have that title. If you find something when you're searching online that we don't have, put in a purchase request available on our website. Maybe we'll purchase that title. We can also do purchase requests for Libby ebooks or e-audiobooks if you are more interested in that format. Okay, so I've got my 10 titles and I'm going to click next. You can also give us a call at 512-332-8894 and somebody at the information desk will answer your call, and we can also do readers advisory, help you find a title over the phone. Okay, additional requests. You may request materials for up to 2 other candidates from your household. So if I had maybe like my husband's card or one of my kids' cards and I wanted to get titles for them, we could do that for you. But I don't actually need to do that today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click submit. Thank you for submitting your request to check out materials from the Bastrop Public Library using our curbside pickup service. We will notify you of your pickup time within 1 business day, excluding Sundays, since we are closed on Sundays. So it was easy, it was pretty simple, but if you need help anywhere along the way, give us a call at 512-332-8894, and we will gladly help you fill out this form. Until we see you again, Bastrop, stay home, stay well, stay safe. Bye-bye.